Hey guys, you're welcome to join us for something new. We're gonna do some yoga exercises that you can do behind the desk. So if you feel a bit stiff today, join us for this small sequence. Starting with the eyes. So look up and go down. Look up, all the way up and down. Look up and down, and now sideways. Look to the right and to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, and now make circles with your eyes. So 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna go on with the neck. So look up and go down slowly, going up again and down, up and down, and sideways, right, left, bring your ear to the shoulder, right, left. So you can also do it while talking or being in a meeting, whatever you like. So circles now, and up and down, up and down. One more time. Back to the middle, shoulders up, and drop them. And bringing them all the way up, and drop. And all the way up, and drop. Place your hands on your shoulders, and make circles. And do this as much as you like, because your shoulders hold a lot of tension sitting. To the wrists, stretch them out and down, and stretch and down, and stretch and down, and make circles. You're in halfway now. Very, very quick, very easy. Bring your hands together and turn them. Now here you feel the shoulders and the wrists. Second time. Third time. So we've done most of the upper body now. For now we're gonna do some back exercises. So you go down all the way very slowly and reach down to the floor, giving your back a nice stretch. This is very relieving for the back, so stay here for as long as you want. It's actually good to let the blood flow through your head. It's good for your concentration. And whenever you feel ready, you can come up slowly, placing the hands behind you on the chair, so maybe scoop forward a little bit and arch the back and let your head drop down. And slowly come back, adding a little twist on the chair. Also great to do this in an airplane if you have a long business trip or anything. It doesn't look ridiculous. You can do it anywhere, anytime. taking care of the leg. So stretch your leg into the chest and try to bring your ankle on your knee, giving the hips a gentle stretch. Switching sides, bend the knee in the chest, and place the ankle on the knee, stretching it. And after this, you feel a lot better and a lot more flexible. So I hope you enjoyed our simple yoga sequence. You can do it anywhere, anytime. So why not make it your routine? Namaste.